guys, Paul Dexter here. Welcome to Jetbuilt HQ. I've got a great update for you today. I will get right into it. Starting with Summit, Jetbuilt User Summit in Dallas, Texas is just a few weeks away. We're very excited about it. This has been a strange week. We had our first registered user to the summit say, hey, are you guys considering postponing or anything because of coronavirus? And so we did consider it for about 20 hours and we even talked to the hotels, see what their thoughts were. And of course they said, no problem, you can cancel, you owe us about $30,000. And so yeah, we're going forward with the summit. Coronavirus cannot stop the Jetbuilt User Summit, and the community is excited to be there. We've got swag for you. We've got discussions planned that are going to be fantastic, I think. So looking forward to that. Okay, feature update. We've got a good one today. It's an enterprise feature for owner furnished items. So many of you have been asking for this, and there's been some various workarounds in Jetbuilt for OFE equipment, but there is now in your edit item overlay, you'll see this OFE or owner furnished checkbox, and also in your mega builder, you can go edit columns, add an OFE column. Any item that is checked there can show up on a proposal as such. So in the designer, you can custom name. You can call it OFE, you can call it owner furnished, you can call it whatever you like, whatever suits your company and your clients, and that will show up before the item for any owner furnished items such as TVs or whatever it may be that they're providing. You're still responsible to enter zeros in the equipment cost and sell, and we considered automatically converting those to zero, but there were some users that prefer having some sort of a corkage fee, as it were. If they're going to provide the TVs, no problem. We charge you $10 and we'll hang your TVs. I mean, in addition to your labor costs, but we kind of charge you this corkage, as it were. And lastly, we omit those items from your purchasing area. So any item that's OFE will not show up when you go to create your POs. So this is exciting stuff, and the email has some screenshots about it, and we'll be doing a tutorial video on that to follow. We've got some updates to Funnel to share. When we launched Funnel in Amsterdam a few weeks back, it was exciting to see the response because, of course, we built it based on the requests. And so it was exciting to see so many companies want to get in and evaluate Funnel. And also, if you have not, feel free to ask. You just kind of pop into support and say, I want to try Funnel, and they'll turn it on in your account to evaluate. Yeah, we had so many companies come in that we had to limit that beta testing kind of period because the task on the servers. So it's exciting to see the system being used to such a degree, and we're very excited for the help that we're able to give the organizations tracking these leads and turning them into projects. But we've got some new functionality we've added in the last couple of weeks. For one, we've got sales rep as a role now. So if you go into settings/team, you click on team members, you'll see that everybody on your team is a sales rep as of today if you're already using Funnel. And now you can have users be a sales rep, meaning projects can be assigned to them, new leads can be assigned to them, or they can be a sales manager. So, and a sales manager may or may not also be a rep. Of course, everybody runs their companies differently, so you can have either roles. Of course, a sales rep is a recipient of leads and they work those leads. A sales manager oversees all leads. Also, we finished up the sorting and filtering of your list. So you can now fully sort your list based on lead heat or last reply or value of the project and so forth. You can sort by those columns. You can also filter by all of the columns on the left. And those sorts and filters will stick with you as you work within Jetbuilt. So you can work in Funnel, you can go into projects, you can do other things and come back and your sorts will stick. So what we're launching in the next couple of weeks is creating leads out of assets. So your old projects with your old items in them that become end of life or require service can generate leads automatically for you and tasks to follow up with those clients. So we're going to extend this free period by a week or two at least, and then we'll start talking about those who want to stay in and adapt to Funnel. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. So for those of you coming to Summit, we are looking forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks and enjoy this new OFE functionality. And please do reach out if you want to try Funnel and you have not yet. Just click the little chat thing and those guys will get you turned on. So, okay, until next time, over and out.